In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find Redmi Watch 3 or Redmi Watch 4 if lost. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you lost or you misplaced your Redmi watch and you are having trouble finding it, there is a feature built into the app that allows you to play a sound or vibrate the watch so it is easier to find. To use this feature, like I said before, you will need the Mi Fitness app. So open the application, and once you are inside, you will be able to locate the watch by going over to device and scrolling down. In here, look for the system category. So inside of the system options related to your watch, you will see find device. So all that you have to do is find device. Keep in mind that if you lost your watch and it wasn't connected to the application or you disconnected it manually before you lost it, then sadly you will not be able to use this. You can only use this if a watch was connected. You go over to the device tab, system, and then find device. Now, like I said before, this feature, after you tap this button here, will vibrate your device alongside some possible ringing. With these noises, it should make it easier to locate the watch. Now, if you are expecting some sort of GPS tracking function, then sadly, that is going to be impossible. As it stands today, these watches do not have the hardware or the software needed to pinpoint their exact location. This feature is mostly going to be used if you lost your Redmi watch inside of your own house. Maybe it fell between some furniture, you don't know where you placed it, maybe it's outside, but it is still going to be of big help if you are able to locate it nearby. If you lost it when you were traveling, it is super far away, or you have no idea where you placed it, then sadly this feature won't be of much use and there's nothing else that you can do besides just retracing your steps manually. I hope I was able to help you on how to find Redmi Watch 3 or Redmi Watch 4 if lost. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.